AI has become pretty big over the last few months. We have seen many different AI tools and they are all pretty awesome. So I thought in this video it would be quite cool to take a look at how you can create some AI images of your very own. And we can do this very easily with a tool called Lexica, which I will show you in this video. So on my screen at the moment you can see there's many different images, and these, believe it or not, have all been created using this tool, and they are all original AI artwork, or images should I say. And on the screen at the moment are some images that I have also created, which you will see later on in this video. So to get started, the first thing that you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below. So once you have clicked on the link in the description below, you will end up on a page that looks like this. So the first thing you need to do is click on Get Started, and you now need to continue with a Google account. If you use an email, it doesn't always work. So I'm going to click on Continue with Google, and I'm now going to go ahead and type in my email and password and sign in. So once you've signed into Lexica, you can now go ahead and let your creativity and imagination go wild. I mean, if we scroll through on the homepage, look how amazing some of these pictures look. They look absolutely insane. So the first thing that we need to do is just go to the very top, and you then need to click on Generate. So you now need to describe your image. What do you want your image to look like? So for example, I could do, let's go here, steampunk, because it says that right there. And then we're going to do a comma, and we're just going to put bear, and we're going to do a comma, and let's just put funky, like that. And let's go ahead and click on generate. On the right hand side you can see dimensions, but we will go through that in a minute. So just for a minute, let's see what this comes out like. I have not got a clue what this is going to look like, as I've never typed in this description before for an image. So there we go. That looks very, very cool. You can see there we've got a bear, we've got 3 different images, and they're completely unique. These images have not been seen before. You are the first people to see them. So now we've got those 3 images. If we go back to the top again, we got describe your image. So this time we're going to change it to something else. And below you can see we've got negative prompt. But just for a second, let's take this out and let's put something like IT geek, and then comma, and then computer, and then we're going to do retro. And I'm now going to do negative prompt, and let's just put blurry and see what happens. So on the right hand side, like I said just a minute ago, we've also got dimensions. So I'm going to actually change this to the dimension of 1152 by 768. If you click on the advanced settings as well, you got guidance scale. So we will go over this in a minute. Before now, let's go ahead and click generate. Okay, so you can see we've now got 4 images, and we've got there a computer, an IT geek, and it's in a retro style. And it looks very, very good. It's actually really cool how Lexica can do this. So what I want to do next is show you how you can make an image in Lexica using an image from your computer. So this time I'm going to take out the top description for your image and also blurry that I put under negative prompt. I'm now going to go ahead and click on upload image, and I'm now going to find an image on my computer that I want to use, and I'm actually going to use the Computer Sluggish logo. So I've now added the Computer Sluggish logo, as you can see on the right hand side here. So I now want to change the guidance scale. So at the moment it's on 7. I want it to look very much like this image, but I obviously want to change it ever so slightly with the description that I'm going to use in this box here. So the guidance scale's on 13, which means it's not going to change too much, but it's still going to do what I say in the text. So this time in the description, I'm going to type retro, and then we're going to do a comma, and then we're going to put computer. So I'm now going to click on generate and see what it can do with my Computer Sluggish logo. And there we go, it's now created a couple of images here and they look pretty cool. As you can see, on the left hand side we've still got the cursor icon, We then got the cursor here and it's put some speakers there, replacing the S. We've then got the S still here and the cursor icon, and then on the right hand side it's changed the S into some retro keyboard looking thing, which again looks very cool. If you do want to download your images, you can simply hover over the image that you want to download and you can then click on the download icon. This is then going to download the image to your computer and you can then open it. So that is pretty much it when it comes to Lexica. Like I said, this image creation AI is really clever, it's fantastic, and you can sign up to it right now on your computer and start generating a load of images. And as you can see from the homepage and also what I did with this bear, you can create some pretty awesome looking AI art. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did like this video and want to see more AI videos, then click the subscribe button below and like this video if of course you liked the video.